Hi guys, Dacia here and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be talking about LCO versus LOC. Okay, it's a very popular topic. I've been asked about it all the time. Not really about the acronyms, but mainly because people always ask me, Dacia, how do you keep your hair moisturized? You know, as soon as they wash their hair, it's dry. A couple of days later, what do you do? So in today's video, I will be going through how I layer my products and how I use the LCO and the LOC to layer my products. Wondering, what is LCO? What does the L stand for? What does the O stand for? What does the C stand for? So in this case, the L stands for liquid. Now the liquid can be water. That is the most common product used, but I've used aloe vera juice, I've used water mixed with vegetable glycerin, I've used many things, leave-in conditioner as my liquid. The O stands for oil. You use any type of oil that your hair likes. C stands for cream. In this instance, you can use your butters, your stylers, your curl puddings, anything like. Okay, you can also use leave-in conditioner. So what I'm going to do is half of my hair as LOC and the other half as LCO to basically demonstrate how these products should be layered. So I'm starting on a freshly washed and deep conditioned hair, shampoo, deep condition. My hair is about 80% dry right now, slightly damp. You don't ever want to start on soaking wet hair. I dried my hair out in a microfiber towel maybe a couple hours ago, but the roots are still damp. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to take my water bottle, my spray bottle with warm water, and I'm just going to mist my hair. Okay, so I'm just going to split it down the middle. It doesn't have to be, you know, perfect, because this is a protective style. So I'm just going to split it down the middle, and then I'm going to split each side in half. I usually make the front half bigger because what I like to do is to put 2 plaits in the back and 3 at the front. And obviously I have more hair to the front of my head because it's bigger. First, I am going to demonstrate the LCO method. It is my preferred method. It's what I notice my hair likes. So yeah, so I'm just gonna part this section into half. Okay, just gonna put that away, and I'm gonna work on this back half here. So this is the first section. I'm going to spray it with water. And I'm going to spray the ends like so, like that. And you don't want the hair too wet either. You just want it to be nice and damp so that it can dry quickly. Because as you know, type 4 low porosity hair takes a very long time to dry. So for my cream, I'm going to be using the TGIN Buttercream Daily Moisturizer with shea butter and vitamin E. So for this section, I'm just going to use this much. I'm also been actively trying to use less product. Like, I'm pretty heavy-handed, so I'm really trying to adjust to using less product on my hair. So this is my oil. So I'm just going to use a little bit in my hand like that. Just going to rub it out like this. And then I'm just going to quote my hair from root to tip. So make sure that gets all up in there. I'm never good at braiding, oh my god. So that's it. That's the LCO. So now I'm gonna show you the LOC on the other side. So I'm just gonna mist it with water. So like mist and separate. On this side, the LOC, I'm gonna use a leave-in conditioner. This is the Great Detangler from Dacia leave-in conditioner and co-wash. I don't co-wash. So I'm just gonna use it to detangle this section. But this can also be used as my liquid. Okay, this product is mainly water. The first ingredient is water. So this is also another product you can use as your liquid because it is water-based. Like I also mentioned that you can use aloe vera juice here as well. Any water-based product in this step is fine. I'm gonna go in with my oil. So same amount of oil. I'm just gonna rub my hands together. And then I'm just going to massage it and rub it into my hair. This side first, and then this side. And cream. When I do this, my hair is usually moisturized for like an entire week. I usually go in like a week later to re-moisturize my hair. I'm usually good when I do this. And that's the LOC. So now you've learned how to apply both methods to your hair. It's time to determine which method will work better for your hair type. There's always been a huge debate surrounding which method works best, but neither is better or worse than the other. It simply depends on your own hair's porosity, as this determines how well your hair absorbs moisture. So while both methods are highly effective at treating dry, damaged hair by locking in moisture, your choice should depend on your own hair's porosity. Well guys, we're at the end of the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe on this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.